Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back, Star Atlas crew. If you missed the latest Town Hall episode of the Atlas Brew, you missed a absolute powerhouse session. The vibe was lively, casual, and completely community-led, as the DAO Council stepped up to take over the stage while the dev team was busy squashing bugs behind the scenes. It was a perfect blend of high-level DAO governance, a walk down memory lane, and some exciting teasers for the universe's expanding gameplay. Right off the bat, the Council kicked things off with a massive announcement regarding the future of Star Atlas governance. The SAC-4 election cycle is officially here. As the current Council's term approaches its end in October, a 2-week self-nomination window opens on Discord starting Sunday, August 2nd. That will be followed by a 2-week campaign period launching August 16th, leading into the official voting period from August 30th through September 11th. After a month-long onboarding process for the top 5 candidates, the new SAC-4 term will officially begin on October 13th. Shifting from the future of governance to its history, the Council led an impressive, transparent deep dive into the return on investment, ROI, of past Star Atlas proposals, or PIPs, ranging all the way from PIP 1 to PIP 33. They highlighted how early proposals built the foundational moat protecting the DAO, while later initiatives brought real-world value. Community-building efforts like the legendary Comet Meetup and the Feast events spread across Valencia, Asia, and the Philippines brought players together in real life, fostering deep camaraderie. The Council also spotlighted funded technology projects that have become essential tools for players, such as Raiden's EVI system, data indexers, and community-driven esports tournaments like the Arena, which briefly pushed Star Atlas content into the top tiers of Twitch and YouTube viewership. Another heartwarming highlight was PIP 28, which funded community favorite Jose to remain with the project, a decision that paid off massively as he has evolved into a key developer, affectionately dubbed a vibe coder, working directly on front-end and blockchain systems. Beyond the numbers, the stream featured a few fantastic community moments. The team showcased content creator Hammerhead's PIP 23 presentation, celebrating his channel hitting over 200,000 views with engaging, fan-made SA cinematics. The Council also celebrated the DAO's remarkable 23% average voter participation rate, a metric that places the Star Atlas DAO in the upper echelon of active Web3 communities. On a bittersweet note, Councilmember Lancer announced he will not be rerunning for the next term, encouraging fresh voices in the community to throw their hats in the ring, while fellow members Chief and Jit confirmed they plan to run again. To wrap up the event, Jose and John jumped on stage to give a thrilling update on the C4 PTR development. The newly launched Jorvik territory is already witnessing chaotic action as Super Phoenix Titans expand their reach. These dynamic AI fleets are actively garrisoning systems across ANI and MOD sectors and preparing to launch attacks on surrounding contested zones. Players were warned to stay sharp, as a PTR server reset is coming in the next few weeks to push out fresh updates and keep the high-risk zones intensely competitive. As a final treat for everyone who tuned in, the team dropped the event claim code, DAOROY. If you're inspired to help shape the future of the metaverse, make sure to head over to the Star Atlas Discord to get ready for the SAC-4 nomination process starting August 2nd, jump into the C4 PTR to test your luck against the Titans, and catch the next Atlas Brew for more deep space updates.